Mami ma wakwaba emfa umra Ghana nsem TVGH so. Wofre me adwowa searching.
20 years. Any of the tiano. Musa kufu ado 8 years na musora makaka.
Right on pure 95.7 year.
Oh, I like the way the daily statesman captures. He was in Mahama sacks Ghanaian workers for no wrongdoing. I think this is apt.
You know, if you say there could have been another approach, you know, Mako, be a sister, you won't say, one my interview cry. I feel wow, cry you application letter, and one other man, one of the citizens because of Sana. And you see, Nippon age was here. On the test, Niena, I am there, I far Fellis, Quachufusu, as one can say, where irregularities, a due process, say due process,
follow through. Just follow through and fix it. There's no point in
fix it. And so be unqualified.
Yeah.
Now who's the way
they outright
unqualified? Job no. Yes, basic requirements no. I say first degree. The background Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. I know.
And on the issue of saying
and the first say yeah man appointment no after election
and today me who and judgment that baba Ghana Mraba just says after December 7th
no but
appointment
the employer no so has the right to terminate your appointment.
Yes, and
in this case no I bind the employer.
Yeah,
so
it should be fair.
Exactly.
Termination of appointment must always be fair. The fact that you are employment just with my permit there unfair termination are cost to so many companies.
Oh no.
If you said, the issue of a call without interview, no. My good friend and I will be man is a finance man. He says the thing is true. Same thing happened in 2022. Employing people without interviews. People did not even apply but got their appointments. But he's saying that, but they're all Ghanaians, so they could just ignore it. Some of these things, Kwame, me who saying this is an answer president, I'm a near Bruby, solve an answer of fixing immediately. Hey, and this is supposed to buy no more says a name of man. When they come a pressing need right now, he must address it before the day close to say, for me, I'm winning, see, 2 million, ya buy any, I feel Mumunyo, I dream, I drink a more man. A paduna, I betray the Kakra, no, if you know, what is this?
Okay, because Obi letter kita message na October and a call interview. Okay,
yes,
October and a call
interview. Okay,
and a more friend November.
Yeah,
and a Osamba second interview.
Yeah,
and around 8 and
they started 2 months earlier.
Yeah,
and you know what I'm say? Let's say. Also, TV will pay by member. The only party on employment and then go for your money.
I think they need to find another approach on that.
Good morning, Adinkrah. And I listen at Sia.
I'm glad to be fire and I'm in Passama to us because we're saying this is from Kwame and a corner at a brick.
And say, Opa no fa, Opa on fa. Eti Siakoto Council of State aba e di nti na wose baya basa yo eme tete bylaw papers near destroy no because intention nipa ne de ko nyina was actuated by malice Roni Bekas adwembone etayechire. They wanted to destroy the content of the bylaw box to make it what unusable nature say obi antimi nyusu nature say at the end of the day and declare winner. Oh yes, anade no wanya free mu into opanyina brakwa de no. In fact, it surprises me because minim reason ti I dey find now ebia na services is needed somewhere. However, me hwed the time frame my yet now timi say abon letter crowd to what that it either say it was a calculated attempt say ye be da yes ade no regional coordinating council na agina saka se bia wanye na adwuma ye ne dia transfer obi ani mo panyina abrakwa ebra started so MTTD commander ne ade nyina ne nyuma wa ye nyina pepepe obi apenasem in Ashanti region ye ni say regional commander no ma obi ani je e wo panyina abrakwa ntina make to say nye be a lecture hall ne metena ye oye lawyer me nso me ye lawyer ne nti na ma me bo na ba so but me hwe ne dwumadi a oya there are several petitions na me de akọ na di mu a emuaye akọ waje atum nso wa anye ne me pa amame what you say because I am a client and I have problem or the call say be I am fan kwa at the end of the day it didn't even go in our favor and no say na me nete classroom and I say lecture hall nti e so ye ade ma ne favor me it means that we nipa bi a or the pepepe ye na ye adwuma or ye just
you support a course Dr. Frank Makunya anyi na adwuma yie.
Absolutely, because they all kind of say statement no kind of so much because obi atime gina hanoma ba station hanoma be cancel or kind of publicly ese ono over the dead body on ma say nipa we ntime member of council of state. You see so a young guy near the jumadie we di amawa
mete ba kokra council say we not even no two for the beti impose na nka say
absolutely same we ne kan me den e me nwanwa ache nkwa mo na mo ya journalist into so atimi dey about
na nka say bodu akasa kwa grant
that is a statement work at just sebe
members be so keka say the same asem no kan
sebe ote kokko so na me ka say asante ahenie no enya de enya ahenie kura ho e kingdom first ankasa no mutimi in prison e de nipa tum enti no an prisons na wo ho no etotumfo akonwa na ote so na enya akonya keto na akọ ba bia obon say British so fighting here for bones was we fought what Ashanti into omo kan countries our list here Ashanti omo hu ne say na your country what you say opa kwahwe omo stones ne niam omo de asisi wo e beto say we fought be a Canadians we fought these people we fought this we fought Canada we fought this but Ashanti no man name as a country etotum for akonwa na nya ade keto na wo small boy and let me excuse me to use that word say me looking on your boy, they were a man, but look at the age 34. Now, Bejana over with dead bodies, and Nana, what take a course or crack, and they are over say. And yet, disrespectful conduct. Ah, statement, and say, I'm passing or cancer statement. Now, I was here, China Kunya, at the saying, as a regional minister. I support it vehemently because, and you see, I'm to me, and I'm more day, and Yama Bediagro. We are not in a banana state. What I say? We are not in a banana state. So be a bit me after the OPB no why it is a country na say anywhere and the mere fact that NDC we need power and I was a misbehave. What I said there cause woman is a very dangerous precedent and almost certain on say the next election 2028 a better war. The reason being that say the new patriotic party and other political parties no they will not sit aloof. Omo ntena say the omo wahuni sa no musu be train omo men eso to face you squarely. It was year emoja ne begu what you say. It's high time I was a government no etimi advising in crop for say munya sa niema no ye kwa abato apepepe ye to aba when we and that is not the end of your life.
But me what problem with vigilantism no.
Yeah.
Previous government had another Danko Kufuado. Sign Bela just say omo stop vigilante.
All political parties.
And all political parties no sign ye. It's then about the police for ntimi use sa vigilante law na o hon ntimi fanchi omo a omo yes ane money from Nkoko.
Me da se ma memra mu see me kwa Accra me bi me kwa regional headquarters. Na bra me dru hono na me kwa ye case ho. Na bi na me pie na me sha lawyer for Trazalane down enti me hu IGP. Na ogina kwana no ogina no say are you a lawyer? And I'm say yes. No say na o car we wan fa o car man am say no me Kumasi based lawyer. Enti manfa ka ma me de bus ne buy no say why not e why na ofre say omomfa car ene ayi medi manim na omomfa me nko omone mfa me mra circle na omode me ba be fro car na eye me gwanwa me na me catch na eye me gwanwa but unim that day a surprising so dampering I saw the man to be a very nice person but unim they are shocking me about someone no unreflected was our election way well the behavior of the Ghana police.